Nate again with GME Supply, and today we are talking all things first aid kits. Specifically the changes to the new ANSI Z308 standard that impacts both Class A and B first aid kits
and went into effect on October 16th, 2022.
After reviewing international standards, ANSI has added a required aluminized thermal retention blanket because of its many uses in situations requiring first aid. The only other changes to both A and B class requirements are in the number of required hand sanitizers. The new standard adds 4 instant hand sanitizer packs to Class A kits and doubles the previously required 10 to 20 for Class B kits. Class B first aid kits will also now be required to include a tourniquet that must be at least 1.5 inches wide and can be used for appendages between 7 and 33 inches in diameter. This tourniquet makes getting life-threatening injuries under control quicker and easier. With the changes out of the way, let's get into the specifics of the required fills for each kit. We will start with Class A kits. Class A first aid kits are designed to deal with the most common of workplace injuries, like small cuts, abrasions, and minor burns. Class B first aid kits are designed to deal with a wider variety of traumatic and complex injuries and are required in high-risk environments. For a downloadable ANSI Z308 A and B requirement list, click the link in the description. If you are kicking yourself because you just re-upped on all your first aid kits and now realize that they are outdated, don't worry. GME Supply has both Class A and B conversion kits to get your old kits up to the new standard. First aid kits are an important part of job site safety. Having a kit that meets the required standards not only saves you time and money by preventing your work site from getting shut down, it can save lives. Head over to gmesupply.com to pick up any of the first aid kit, refills, or conversions that you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.